Enest 149 to start the presentation.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes, audible.
Yeah, you're audible. You
Sir,
can
I am
start the
not able to
presentation.
see my poster, sir.
Yeah, now it is visible.
No, sir.
Okay, it is visible to us actually.
Yes, sir. Can I start my presentation, sir?
Yeah, now it is visible, no? To you?
No, sir. I cannot see the present poster, but I can start my presentation.
Whether
In
evaluators
the
can
room.
see the presentation?
Yes, sir. In my laptop it's open, so I
No,
can.
whether evaluators can see the presentation, like whether Kiran sir, is it visible
Yes,
to you?
yes, it is
Yes,
visible.
Okay,
Yeah,
then
visible,
can
just
visible.
to make a full screen, right? Okay, it's
yes,
clear.
yes, you can start Nikhil presentation.
Yes, sir. A very warm welcome to one and all. Good evening. Myself Nikhil Chandrakant Chaudhary, B Pharmacy second year student, currently pursuing my graduation from Dr. Uttamram Mahajan College of B Pharmacy. Today I am here to present my e-poster on the topic types of inhibitor, current scenario of vaccines, and rapid testing kits for COVID-19. It is a review article. Let's take a glance at my poster. My poster will have some basic introduction of COVID-19, pathogenesis of COVID-19, current scenario of rapid testing kits, followed by types of inhibitors, types of vaccines used, and conclusion. So, COVID-19 is a large family of viruses. It started in the year 2019, hence called as COVID-19. The surface of the coronavirus contains spike proteins. It helps in the attachment of the virus with human cells. After the attachment, the spike proteins binds with the ACE2 receptors present on the cell. For the binding, proteolysis and glycosylation occurs with the help of TMPRSS2. Body's response to the virus occurs and produce cytokinins. But in COVID-19, some patients there is more production of cytokinins and leads to cytokine storm in some people, which leads to ARDS and MOF. ARDS, acute respiratory disease syndrome, and MOF, multiple organ failure. Further, current scenario of rapid testing kit. As I have mentioned, there are three ways. First, presence of virus. Second, detection of antibodies and serological test. Now, I would like to explain the types of inhibitors. There are 5 types of inhibitors. Virus entry inhibitors, endosomal pH, RDRP inhibitors, importin inhibitors, and immunomodulators. First, virus entry inhibitors. The drugs used are chloroquine, hydroxychloroquine, Arbidol, and Comostats. It inhibits the glycosylation of ACE2 and also inhibits the proteolytic processing of spike protein and change in endosomal pH. Some adverse effects seen are hypoglycemia, allergy, and QT prolongation. Second, endosomal pH. Hydroxychloroquine is a drug used. It changes the endosomal pH because the virus will only survive in acidic pH. The hydrochloroquine makes the pH alkaline and inhibits the fusion. Third, RDRP inhibitors, RNA-dependent RNA polymerase. Drugs used are remdesivir, that is also known as galadesivir, favipiravir, and ribavirin. These are adenosine, purine, and guanine analogs. Some adverse effects seen are diarrhea, hyperuremia, hepatotoxicity, and dose adjustment required in liver disease. Fourth, important inhibitors. Ivermectin is used as antihelminthic. Side effects are ataxia and drowsiness. Fifth, immunomodulators. These are used to decrease the cytokine storms. First, the immunomodulators are corticosteroids, IL-6 antagonists, that is sarilumab and tocilizumab, anti-VEGF, that is bevacizumab, and convalescent plasma. Now, I would like to explain types of vaccines. There are majorly 4 types of vaccines used: RNA vaccine, adenovirus vector vaccine, inactivated virus vaccine, and fourth, subunit vaccine. Now, I would like to elaborate the mechanism of the types of vaccine. First, RNA vaccine. RNA vaccine contains RNA which, when introduced into the tissue, acts as a messenger RNA to cause the cells to build the foreign protein and stimulate an adaptive response, which also teaches the body to identify and destroy the corresponding pathogen cancer cells. The delivery of mRNA is achieved by a co-formulation of molecule into liquid nanoparticles, which protect the RNA strands and help their absorption into cells. RNA vaccines were the first COVID vaccines authorized in USA and Europe. RNA vaccines are Pfizer and Biotech and Moderna vaccines. Second type is adenovirus vaccine. These vaccines are examples of non-replicating viral vector vaccines using an adenovirus shell containing DNA that encodes a SARS-CoV-2 protein. The viral vector-based vaccines against COVID-19 are non-replicating, meaning that they do not make a new virus particle, but rather produce only the antigen, which elicits a systematic immune response. Adenovirus vaccines are Oxford's AstraZeneca vaccine, Russia's Sputnik V, and Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine. Our third type is inactivated virus vaccines. Inactivated virus vaccines consist of viral particles that have been grown in a culture and then are killed using a method such as heat or formaldehyde to lose the disease producing capacity of the virus while stimulating an immune response. Example, Indian Covaxin and Chinese Coronavac. A fourth and last type is subunit vaccine. Subunit vaccine present one or more antigens without introducing whole pathogen particles. The antigens involved are often subunits, but can be any molecule that is fragmented of the pathogens. Examples of these vaccines are peptide vaccines, Epivac Corona, and RBD Dimer. At the end of my presentation, I would like to conclude that the treat of COVID-19 is not over yet. The various methods of tracing, testing, treatment, and vaccination are helpful in keeping the virus at check. More and more research must be done to develop a more effective COVID-19 antiviral drug for the treatment as well as vaccine too should have a higher efficacy than the current vaccination. Thank you.
Nikhil, thank you. Good presentation.
Thank you, sir.
So how many articles you have referred in order to compile this thing?
Sir, 3 articles and 4 review articles, sir.
Okay. Very good. So in that one thing you have mentioned about TMPRSS. So what?
Yes, sir.
What is that? What is that indicate? Can you
Sir,
abbreviate it?
Yes, sir. Its full form is transmembrane serine protease 2. That is cell surface protein primarily exposed by endothelial cells across the respiratory and digestive tracts.
Okay. Then in between you talked about cytokine storms, right?
Yes, sir.
So in that, as per our report, which cytokines are being released more?
Sir, for some examples are INF alpha and TNF alpha. They are large amount of proteins, peptides, and glycoproteins secreted by specific.
I'm talking only about interleukins, cytokines. Which
Yes.
cytokines in that where there are various subtypes? Interleukins 1, interleukin 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then TNF means if you take TNF alpha, beta. Likewise, there are various subtypes are there. Okay, so in that, which interleukins are prevalent at present in clinical treatment in the COVID test? So which interleukins are which cytokines people are quantifying?
So the
Everything will
number
be,
is.
but everything cannot be quantified, right?
Yes, sir.
So have you come across anything?
Sir, I have not studied till that deep, sir, but I can tell that IL-17,
IL-6,
IL-6, and these are I have not studied in deep, sir, but I know some of the examples.
Yes. So nowadays in a regular COVID test, this IL-6 quantification is essential. Okay.
Yes.
Then another one more last question. There are some controversies. Reported regarding the ACE2 inhibitor. So have you come across or have you heard about that?
No, sir, I have not heard any controversies.
So you didn't come across.
It is only. Yes, sir. Some authors have posted that tobacco smoking increases the risk because the AC2 present with TMPRS binds fast as compared to normal patients.
Okay. No, I am talking about ACE2 inhibitors.
ACE2
If you
inhibitor,
use,
which is used for COVID-19 virus to attach with the human cell.
yes.
So
So
no,
that is not beneficial. It may lead to some cardiovascular related disorders. Turkey, some statements or some reports are coming. Have you heard about that or have you come across?
No, sir, I have not come across that.
Okay, okay. Thank you. So very good. I am done. So others can please take it forward.
Hello, Mr. Nikhil.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, you belong to which state?
Sir, Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. I think, yeah, now it is getting down. I think Corona reporting. Okay, okay. Even Mumbai itself today, all are getting positive treatment and it's getting reduced. Okay. So among three type of vaccines, RNA, adenovirus, as well as inactivated vaccines are there as on date. Among three, which one is having more potency as per your knowledge?
Sir, as per my knowledge, adenovirus, which is Sputnik V, it has shown
Uh,
93% efficacy rate, sir. But
93.
sir,
Okay.
the vaccine is not yet tried in India. So the condition of Indian climate, it is not identified till now.
Yeah. What about Covishield?
COVID is a Pfizer RNA-based vaccine, sir. It has an
Hmm.
83% of efficacy rate till now.
Okay. Covaxin?
Covaxin is an inactivated virus vaccine, sir, produced by Indian
No,
government.
efficacy. I'm asking about efficacy comparison. Yeah.
Sir, efficacy rate of Covaxin is also as similar as Covishield, but it is not approved by WHO, sir.
Yeah. What was the reason? To like, is there any
Sir,
reason? Not the,
sir, reason didn't
not
know,
yet
but
approved date
I have
only.
yes, sir, WHO didn't approve that vaccine in their list, sir.
Okay. Do you know about the status of your state? Positive people, negative people, discharged people from hospital, status of coronavirus, second wave in your state.
Sir, today's uh, the count I have not received. The means I have not gone through it till now, sir,
Mm. I
because
think
there was some.
drastically reduced in Mumbai itself. Really,
Yes, sir,
it's nice
it is
initiative
reduced.
taken by your government because
The
2 weeks, 3 weeks earlier it was started in India, very first from Mumbai itself. In our state, it is a highest peak. Anyhow, everywhere the people are giving very much attention. Even normal populations also now getting awareness, come forward to take the vaccination. So we hope another couple of weeks throughout India it may getting reduced. We will get the good life, stay safe everywhere.
yes,
Any
sir, thank you,
good
sir.
attempt is presentation from
Thank you,
your
sir.
side. Yeah, God bless you.
Okay, Nikhil, you made a good presentation here. I feel
Yes,
that.
thank you, sir.
Can you tell me what is your view regarding the vaccine approval within a short span?
So my view about vaccine approval in short time is quite effective because as in the first phase more people were affecting from this COVID-19. So the only the only route we have was vaccination. So as fast as the vaccination, we can save as many as people by vaccination, sir. By drugs or by mask and all, it is a secondary, sir. But by vaccination only, we can uh, if the clinical trials are not proved, or if the clinical trials are not in the phase, but if vaccination is started earlier, we can effect or we can protect as many as people as compared to drugs and all sanitaries and all that, sir.
Yeah, that was my basic question. When we haven't completed all the data in clinical trials, how we can rush about, how we can
So,
rush to give the vaccine to the society. We know that we require 10 to 12 years to come with the good vaccine, but now it is not more than 1 or 2 years, and we have a vaccine. So, what is your view? How the stringent regulatory guidelines, whether they have followed all? What could be the reason that they have come up with the vaccines within 1 or 2 years?
Yes, sir. The need of vaccine was as severe because the COVID-19 was infecting very fast, and sir, they have gone through all clinical trials. But in some countries or some states, they have means they give the approval of. Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Yes, sir. In various states, before the completion of 3 clinical trials, they given approval for the vaccines because of their emergency of the COVID deaths and because of the emergency. But my point of view, sir, the vaccines should be completed all the clinical trials because many patients or many persons who are getting that vaccination should be more able to or the clinical trials should be more effective to explain the person's the efficacy rate and the confidence for the patients.
Okay, other than vaccine, what you think? What is your so far knowledge? Which one is the good drug to not a we can say completely cure the disease, but what will be the best one out of what you mentioned in your presentation?
Sir, some recent study in the middle phase, remdesivir was in very high demand, but remdesivir is not an uh, drug used for this COVID-19. But many of the patients in Mumbai as well in Maharashtra were getting a short-term effect with the this remdesivir drug. According to these conditions or their immunity, they were getting as fast as relief as compared to other drugs.
Okay,
As
can
as favipiravir is also an very effective drug, sir.
okay, you might have been knowing that mucormycosis is spreading
Yes, sir.
so what is the major thing regarding the disease progression? What will be the
So
major things regarding disease progression?
yes, sir. Mucormycosis is also known as black fungus. Uh, it might turn the infected area black in color. This infection also can spread to blood, sir. The symptoms are swelling of eyes, facial pain, redness of eye. Sir, the prevention of these diseases are antiviral amphotericin B. Uh, the patient or the COVID patient or any subscribe or any person should lower their sugar diet, maintain an hygiene, oral hygiene. And sir, the most common who are affecting by the black fungus are diabetic patients, COVID recovered patients, and the patients who take steroids and all, sir.
Okay, very good, Nikhil. Okay, we
Thank you,
can
sir.
take